Hello and welcome to tutorial number 7 in this series for Microsoft Excel beginners. We're going to continue the formatting on this particular spreadsheet, and the next thing we're going to look at is text color. So if I come over again to my font color, click on the little drop down arrow there, again put the mouse pointer in the blue bar to highlight it, and I can drag that palette across onto the screen there, and I can experiment with different font colors. Now, for example, I might say that my Fred's Video Classics, I would rather have that as a red, and so I could just click red there. I might want to have my titles not black, but say a dark blue, so I could click that there, and so on and so forth. Or I might want all these values here to be a different colour, say a green colour for some reason, you never know. There we go. And you can see it applies the colours like so, fairly straightforward. However, I don't want that to be the case, so I'm going to undo those choices. So undo the green, undo the blue, and I'll also undo the Fred's Video Classics colour there, so they're back to black. To be quite honest, there are very few occasions where you would want to use any other colour than black for text, but there are some times when you want to highlight a value, and it may be worth choosing different colours, but again, consider when you print the spreadsheet how those colours might look on the printout as well. Black on white or black on a light colour background is perfectly okay for virtually every situation. If you need to highlight a value on the spreadsheet, it's often better to change the background colour rather than the text colour. Okay, there's one more thing I'm going to do on the spreadsheet, which is to actually apply borders to my cells. So I've got a stronger border on the sheet. One thing you notice when you apply background cell values is that the little lines on the cells disappear, and that's because Excel automatically colours in the cell border with the colour of the cell background colour. Now if I actually go to my print preview and just show you exactly how that might look, print preview button's up there, click that, and you'll see at the moment my spreadsheet is looking like this. Now if I printed that out, it might look okay, but I might be thinking, well, I'd rather have the cell borders so it's easy to follow across on the rows, which is fair enough. Two ways I can do that. One way is to go to the Setup menu, go to the Sheet tab. There's a number of different tabs in your page Setup for printing, but this time we're just going to the Sheet tab and choose Grid Lines. Click OK. Now that does put the grid lines back on, but I'm still not happy with that because it's not really showing the division between the column